up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors. We shoot pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything over top, and then we create new interesting color combinations that you guys get to decide if you love or you hate. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and you guys can rate it anywhere in between. Well, I've got an exciting one today, guys. Something a little bit on the newer side. Red Rum Ultrashift by Eye Candy Pigments. This is supposed to be like a red to black shift, and who knows what it'll do out in the light when the sun hits it. But that's what we're going to find out today. Obviously, as always, these Ultrashifts shoot best over a gloss black base, so I got a Fender prepped up behind me. I'm going to shoot it with gloss black Rustoleum, and then we're going to hit it with some of this Red Rum Ultrashift from Eye Candy Pigments. Think it'll be a good one today, guys, but we won't know if we don't get started, so let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we got our gloss black laid down on our fender behind me, so you know what time it is. Time for some pearl. I'm using my Finish 1 clear today, 4 parts clear, 1 part hardener. I did 5 ounces total into this mix, and I got a 1 gram sample bag of Red Rum Ultrashift by Eye Candy Pigments. Now, like I said, this is a red to black. It could black cherry, it could do some crazy stuff out in the sun. I don't really know until we get it in this mix, so I'm going to open up this bag, and I'm going to put this whole bag into this 5 grams. Now, per Eye Candy, if you wanted to go full scale with this, you would get a 25 gram bag, and that would probably cover your small to medium sized vehicles, and you might want to pick up 2 bags if you're going for something really big. But I'm going to put this in the mix real quick. I'm going to do all of it, and then I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright guys, so this is Red Rum in the mix. Before we get to even stirring, you do kind of see a little bit of that black cherry effect. But let's see what it does when we get to stirring. Whoa, alright. So definitely has some burgundies. Man, I see the black to red, but I also see some golds and stuff. This is going to be kind of a crazy one today, guys. I don't know where this is going, but there's one surefire way to find out. Let's load up the old Vevor gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got my old Vevor gun loaded up with some of this Red Rum Ultrashift from Eye Candy Pigments. This is a 1.4 tip gun. I shoot at 28 psi water per trigger. If you decide to replicate my settings, feel free to. As always, we're going to do a light coat on this first. Make sure we don't get no reactions, and then 3 coats seems to be the sweet spot. And we'll take it out in the sun and see what we got. I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get to spraying. Alright guys, Red Rum Ultrashift from Eye Candy Pigments. Now this is one of the trippiest ones I've seen yet. Man, it goes from black to plum to red to all kinds of stuff. And when the light hits at certain angles, look at that. Wow. That is crazy. But then you look at the pigmentation, it's like a red, but it's got some purples. I mean, it's got all kinds of stuff. But look at that. As you move away from it, like the shifting capability of this pearl is just wild. But that's Red Rum Ultrashift for you guys. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so here's the spray out for today. Red Rum Ultrashift from Eye Candy Pigments over top of Gloss Black. Now, this one was pretty crazy. On camera, you see more plum, and in person, you see more black. Especially after 2 coats of this Red Rum over it, you still retain a lot of that black. I did notice when I hit it with that 3rd coat, obviously it's going to cause everything to pop more, and I did notice the black to plum a little bit, and you see it more on camera, but in person it's a lot darker than it is on camera. So, and then when we took it out in the sun at first, I'm like, I'm not really seeing much, and then you turn it to that angle, man, and it just starts popping. And I mean, it's just a crazy one today, guys. So Red Rum Ultrashift. Man, rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. If you decide you want to spray with Red Rum Ultrashift, I am an affiliate with Eye Candy Pigments. That means you guys can get a discount through my links. In the description, you just click my links, and at checkout, enter WAW Shop, WAW Shop. You'll get a discount to go to help out the channel. This Finish One Clear Coat, guys, it works great with Rustoleum. I've had 0 issues. So I'll have links to that, the paint gun, the mask, everything I used today. Links will be in my Amazon store. If you click the description, as seen on YouTube, you click that link, it takes you to my Amazon store, and you get everything I use on the channel for my price, and it goes to help out the channel. So it's a win-win for both of us. And like I said, I do get a little bit of a kickback, but like I said, don't cost you guys nothing extra. You get all the benefits of Prime and everything else they have to offer. And yeah, so that's that. Man, this was an awesome one today, guys. If you like this, please hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. Drop me a thumbs up real quick. It takes all of 2 seconds, and it helps me out tremendously with the algorithm and spreading this video out. And drop me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this. What do you think of my other spray outs? What spray outs haven't I done that you'd like to see next? Eye Candy makes a crap ton of products, and we're going to try to go through as much as possible. I think Jeff's sending me out some more, so we're only going to go full steam ahead. So you want to be subscribed and you want to ring that bell so you don't miss an episode. All right, guys. Well, that's where I'm at for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I surely did, and I definitely think Eye Candy nailed it with the black to red shift. And yeah, that's going to be it for today, guys. I appreciate you for watching. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.